What's happening, YouTube? This is Dwayne with Kingdom Building NC. I know if you're seeing this video and you are one of my subscribers, you're probably like, I haven't seen this dude in a long time, and I apologize for that. I've still been grinding, still been, on my workout game, still been eating properly, and so forth. To those who may not have been following me the whole time, I started my journey in February of 2016 at around 410 pounds. As of today, I am currently at roughly about 265 pounds. So things are really going great for me as far as in that area of my life. One of the things that when I originally started out, I was a little afraid about the aspect of losing weight and then somehow falling off and gaining it back. But for me, jumping over that mental hurdle was so important, and I feel like I'm in a good place. I feel like I have a good relationship with food where it does not control me. So like I said, things are going good. But I wanted to make this video to let everyone know that I'm going to be posting more content on YouTube. Really have a strong desire to reach out and engage with people who are in similar situations as me. And when I say similar situations, what I mean is I don't have time to be in the gym for 3, 4 hours a day. I'm a husband, a father, work a full-time job, along with a couple other responsibilities as well. So, it's important to kind of balance those things out to make sure that you still have time to take care of yourself. And so I really want to engage with people in that area, people who feel like they don't have time, people who feel like from a food standpoint, this is another big one, that they don't have time to make the right decisions when it comes to food and things of that nature. So I really want to post more content in that area. But first of all, I wanted to come back and just reintroduce myself really with the Kingdom Building page. And for, again, those who may not know what Kingdom Building is, I know I have a video explaining it on the channel, but to summarize it, Kingdom Building focuses on not just the physical aspect, but the mental and emotional aspect, the spiritual aspect, and also the financial aspect. So with Kingdom Building, we want to live a holistic life. We want to live a whole life and be healthy in all areas of our lives. Because one thing that I've learned when it comes to the fitness game and just weight loss in general is if there are other aspects of your life that are off, it's going to throw off everything. So we want to be a well-oiled machine in all areas of our lives. But again, be on the lookout for more content. I'm going to post the picture at the end of this video, which shows kind of my before and where I'm at right now. I'm also going to include in the description information to my Instagram page. There I've been posting every day since I pretty much had the page, just showing my runs that I go on, showing clips or pictures from certain lifts. So I'll post that information down for anyone who's interested in checking that out. But again, I'm back. I'm going to be posting more content here coming up very soon. But I wanted to jump on just to say hello, and just to let people know that I'm still grinding, still good, still in a good place, but just looking to again engage and just be a blessing in other people's lives. So short video, but again, wanted to just make a quick reintroduction, and let you guys know what's up. And also, if there's any questions that you guys have, feel free to drop them to me, either here in the comment section, or you can send me an email at kingdombuildingnc@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to connect with you. Also, drop in the comment section if you've been following me before. Drop in the comment section how you've been doing with your fitness journey. I'm definitely interested to know. I must say that since I haven't been, really making YouTube videos, I haven't really been on here watching them. So I'm definitely looking forward to catching up on some of the people who I've been following, just to see how things have been progressing with you in your journey. So again, be on the lookout for more content, and I'm looking forward to engaging with you guys soon. Later.